Hey everybody, welcome back. Today I'm going to be using a Ninja Slushi to recreate an Orange Julius. Don't know what that is. Dairy Queen owns them now, but back in the day, if you ever went to a mall, that was the place right next to hot dog on a stick. So you ready? Let's get into this. For this recipe, we're going to need some no pulp orange juice, some 2% milk, vanilla extract, and some allulose. If you'd like to make this recipe, all the ingredients and measurements are down in the description of the video, along with the calorie count, the protein, the carbs, and the fat. Alright, let's get this started. This is going to be super easy. We just got to open this up, throw in our vanilla extract. We're going to take our 2% milk, and we're going to stir in our allulose, just so we don't make a big mess putting this into the machine. Next, we'll pour the milk mixture into the slushy. And we're going to use a little bit of our orange juice here to slush this around, just to make sure we get all the remaining bits of sweetener out of here. And then we'll just go ahead and pour that in. And we'll follow that up with our orange juice. Then we can close this up, turn on our machine, and you would think something like this you would use the frozen juice button, but we're not going to do that. We're going to use the slush button. The reason we're doing that is because if you ever had an Orange Julius, they're really super slushy. They're not really very frozen at all, so if I use the frozen juice button, it's probably going to overfreeze it a little bit. And we're going to change the temperature from default up to level 6. Now all we got to do is wait. Hey, by the way, if this is your first time here and you want to learn some cool new recipes, get some great cooking tips and tricks and all sorts of other kitchen related things, then start now by subscribing to the channel and clicking the notification bell so you never miss a thing. Once we get done, we're ready to serve, and the slushy will keep this going for up to 12 hours. That came out absolutely delicious. The only difference being that if you get it from Orange Julius, it's got a little bit of froth on top, and I can't recreate that in the slushy, so had to go without. In any case, our version has a lot less calories and a lot less sugar. If you'd like a little bit more information about the Ninja Slushi that I used in this video, I do have an Amazon affiliate link to it down in the description. If you buy anything through those links, I do make a small commission, but it doesn't change the price that you pay, 1 cent. If you like this video, I bet you're gonna love this video right here where I use the Ninja Slushi to make some really great tart cherry frozen lemonade. That came out better than the stuff you find in amusement parks. Well, that's it for now. I hope to see you back again here really soon. And until that time, I'm Joe, and I hope you have a phenomenal day. Take it easy.